Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the strap and placing the watch face down on a soft cloth. This prevents scratches. Once done, open the case back carefully. Use a case wrench for screw-down backs or a thin blade for snapbacks. Make sure to keep all tiny screws in a tray so nothing disappears. You are creating a clean workspace to reduce dust and magnetism, and that control makes the next steps safer and faster. Once the dial is exposed, inspect the hands and surrounding area under good light. You're looking for bent hands, dirt, or a stuck minute wheel. Use a movement holder and, if needed, remove the crystal or dial to access the hands. Carefully lift hands with hand levers or a pusher, moving in tiny increments to avoid slipping. You do this because even a hair of debris or a slightly bent hand will stop movement. Precise micro-adjustments restore clearance. You now align each hand in its correct order and press them straight down with a hand pusher, avoiding lateral force that bends posts. Once reassembled, wind or fit a fresh battery and observe for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Listen for even ticks and watch for consistent sweep. If hands still hesitate, demagnetize the movement or try a new battery, because magnetism and weak power are common culprits. If problems persist, stop and consult a watchmaker to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.